Today we're making samp and beans. What is samp and beans? Samp and beans is crushed dry white mielie meal, corn and brown beans. In South Africa we call samp. Samp and beans I'm going to cook in a pressure cooker. But first we will rinse samp and beans. I rinse samp and beans. We'll put in a jar samp. We need to cover with water. I've got 500 samp and beans. And I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I think I'm going to add another cup of water. Now we need to season our samp and beans. Teaspoon of salt or more. Teaspoon for us will be enough. And I will add butter. Nice dollop of butter. We will cook our samp and beans for 1 hour in a medium pressure level. Oh, let's start. I will do manual setting. Manual setting, medium pressure, and cooking time 1 hour. Pressure cooker finished to cook. We will open valve, release air. Let's do this. Red button come down. We say to open. Corn and beans absorb all water we added, and now it's nice and fluffy. We will dish up now. On the top, I will add extra butter. Also can add stew, goulash, curry on the top, and that would be lovely. Very nice. Enough salt. We like samp and beans. Easy to make. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put like. Don't forget to subscribe.